Okay, we're moving on to number 6. Number 6, the average price of a certain model of boat in 1994 was $14,800. In 2013, the average price of the boat was $18,500. What is the percentage increase in the average price of the boat? So in 1994, the boat was $14,800, but in 2013, it increased to $18,500. So in this problem, we're actually trying to find the percentage change. In this case, the increase. So whenever you're looking for a percentage change, this is the formula. In step number 1 that you want to use, you're going to take the new value minus the reference value divided by the reference value, but you always want to multiply by 100 because your answer should be a percent. All right, so we're going to start out with this formula. That's your starting point. Here you see in step 2, you're going to substitute the given information into the formula. So the first price, well, the price that they give you for 2013, obviously you want to take the most recent price, which is $18,500, minus the price in 1994, which was $14,800, over $14,800. And remember, that's the reference value. The new value is the most recent price. And you want to multiply all of this by 100%. All right, so shoot on over to Desmos, put this information in Desmos. You should get a final answer of 25%. And so the average price, or I'm sorry, the percentage increase in the average price of the boat is 25%. Remember that your answer is a percent. It is not going to be a decimal. All right, so that was number 6. We're going to move on to number 7. Going to read that question for you. Make sure you have your worksheet on hand. Number 7, a couple deposits $20,000 into an account earning 6% annual interest for 15 years. Calculate the future value of the investment if the interest is compounded quarterly. Round your answer to the nearest cent. All right, so obviously you're going to, in step 1, as you can see, you're going to use the compound interest formula, right? I'm sorry, move this here. All right, you're going to use the compound interest formula given in step 1. And then the second thing you're going to do is you are going to substitute your given information. Your principal amount is $20,000. You have a rate of 6%, so we change it to a decimal. Your time is 15 years. And since you're compounding quarterly, you're going to use n equals 4. All right. Plug all that into your compound interest formula. Remember that the 4 times 15 is an exponent. Plug all of it into Desmos, and you should get $48,864.40. So that is your answer to number 7. Your future value of your investment compounded quarterly again would be $48,864.40. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 8. Okay, 8 on your worksheet says, determine the simple interest earned on $10,000 after 30 years if the APR is 15%. All right, so number 8 is pretty straightforward. You're going to use the simple interest formula, I equals PRT. In step 2, you're going to simply substitute the given information. Principal value is 10,000. You have a rate of 15%. We change it to a decimal, which is 0.15. Our time in years is 30 years. Once we plug all of that into our formula, we multiply going straight across. Our simple interest earned would be $45,000.